Hello guys, welcome to this particular video, which is the final year presentation video. My name is Aksham Singh and I am the team leader of my group. So my project name is NextGen Ecourt. So in this particular project, what we are trying to do is that we are trying to connect court official, judge, plaintiff, defendant and lawyer all together. And what's the need of that? So if we talk about the scenario of Indian judicial system, then we can see easily that there is no proper communication or linkage between all of them. If there is any website, so there's a government official website for this, but that particular website is already outdated and not updated, and it's very static. There was no use of React, but in this particular website, we have used React. So through this particular project, we are trying to create a platform which is used by all of them, that is court official, judge, plaintiff, and defendant, so that they can be connected. For example, if I am the person which filed a case against someone, so I should have the features to see that what current status my particular case is holding, which judge is assigned to that. Okay, who's the lawyer? What are the court officials among them? What are the date orders being passed? So what actually I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a platform for courts, judges, and all, so that they all can be connected so that there can be proper communication flow and there can be a better connectivity. So this is the home page of our website, the next region, which is as per this project, I am using React for the front end and next Node.js for the backend purpose. HTML, CSS, JavaScript are the basic front end tool that would be using this website. So this is the home page of our particular project. So this is the key features that we are giving: AI powered summaries, secure case tracking, efficient document management, remote accessibility. So what exactly is AI powered summaries? So when we talk about AI powered summaries, so what if we look at particular if we look at a particular uh, court official document, any legal document, the English or the language that is being mentioned in that particular document is bit tough. Okay, it is complicated to understand. It's not in the simple words. So for a civilian, for a common person to understand a legal document is a bit tough. So what we are trying to do is we have implemented an AI bot, which is powered by the Gemini API key, which helps the person to summarize that particular case and to give at least a simple gist and simple idea of that particular idea. I mean of that particular case, so that we can at least know what exactly happened in this particular case. So this is our AI summary. So here we are first of all we have to log in for that. So let's log in into that particular. So I have already created a account. So let me log into that. Okay. So for this particular person, for me, I have created an ID for me with the role of court official. So let us do for the AI summaries. So this is our chatbot. Let us take a particular example. Uh, Jeffrey Dahmer case. For example, if we take any document or any text like this, okay, it is generating. It will take just a second. Yeah, this is exactly what I'm trying to do. So here our AI chatbot summarizes all the text that is given to that and create a simple explanation of that. So this can be used by the person for any legal document. Okay, it can be anything. It will help the user to at least get the idea of what exactly the legal document is saying. So that if I'm reading any legal document, any statement issued by the court official, any judge, I can know what exactly actions are being taken or what are the decisions that are being taken. So this is our AI summary. This is a dashboard. Okay. For this particular ID Saksham Singh 102 @gmail.com, which is Saksham Singh, I have assigned the role of court official. Okay. So when we talk about court official, so this is a particular case that I have already implemented for the demo presentation. Okay. Let us take this. So this is a case which I've already created. So case overview. So we can add any overview. So we have added an overview. So let's create a new case. So here there is an option of add a new case. So I'm clicking on that. Okay. So now I can add any new cases. So let us take the case of anything. Let's take let's take the case of okay. Let us take this particular case. Where it is? Let us give it a ID number, code. Let us, for example, we are given Supreme Court. Initial status file, case description. Let us take any case description. This one. Okay. Okay. Plaintiff name. Let us take the kill one. Plaintiff ID we can give key1@gmail.com. Exactly. Defendant. So game gone. Any ID, any email ID. Yeah. B1. It is the assign judge email optional. Assign judge, of course. Okay. Now I can choose. So when we talk about cases, court cases, there are many documents. So what exactly we are trying to do is that we are trying to keep a record of all the documents that are being used in a case. For example, let us take choose file. Okay, any document. Any document we can take download. Something. This is we can take this as an example, and the case has been added successfully. Has been successfully added. Let us go to the dashboard, and here we can find the case. This is the case which is filed here. Okay. Now let us check this particular case is being shown to other things or not. So let us log out. We have given the option of log out. Okay. Now log in. So this is a judge, allocated judge. Okay. Just log in for the P1. As we can see, that particular case has been updated in everyone's profile. I mean, whichever person that is associated with that particular case can be seen this. So as we can see all the details of the case. I mean the title of the case overview, plaintiff name, defendant name, code, urgency, medium. I mean we can set the urgency and all the yeah. This is what we can do. Okay. Now if I am the judge, what are the powers that I can have? So let us take an example. J1. Okay. So this is what it is. Now, when I am a judge, for example, I am the judge. So, what are the powers that I can have? I can pass order, I can reschedule the case, I can upload documents. So, this is the power given to a judge. So, if I am the judge, this would be the power given to me. So, we would go to the judge dashboard. Okay, it is being loaded. Okay, loaded. Yeah. So, this is judge dashboard, which is only exclusive to judge people. So when I am the judge, what are the powers I can have? I can change the status of a case. I'm pending, failed, investigation status in progress, hearing, judgment, resolved, appeal status or not, and close, and many things. Okay. Note. We can provide a note on this particular case, like this case has been on withhold because of suspicious interpretation of government of anything. Anything a note can be added. Then we can pass order. I mean, the main power of a judge in a court is to pass order. So I can pass any order and it will be visible in the case. And I can also reschedule. I mean, shifting the particular case to another date. We know that reschedule in court, that is commonly called. So I can also reschedule. This is the power hand from the judge. And whatever the changes the judge would make, it would be visible in all, it would be updated in everyone's profile. Now, if I add a case C1, it would be visible in everyone's account which is associated with India. So the person, so it will be visible in the plaintiff, the person which is filing the case, defendant, the case who's against we are filing the case, the judge, the associated judge, and the court official. And also I can delete a case if it is over or not necessary. So I can just delete and it will delete it and update it as well. So this is our project. Thank you. So my name is Saksham Singh. I'm the team leader of this particular project. I am being partnered. My teammates are Abhinay Prakash, Meenal Sarvaso, and Pratik Tiwari. All of them has contributed well enough to this particular project, and they were assigned with their specified jobs so they can do their task efficiently. Thank you.